In an uncertain world, understanding data is more important than ever. It can help organisations make informed decisions, face ongoing challenges with confidence, and prepare for an uncertain future. The Centre for Business Analytics works with organisations to unlock the power of data so they can make factual, proactive decisions that deliver competitive advantage. Our educational programs provide powerful learning opportunities for executives looking to transform decision-making through business analytics. We provide access to a premium analytics ecosystem, which includes world-class academics and research experts, along with early access to analytics talent who speak the language of business, technology and mathematics to drive value and navigate change. Through the power of analytics, we are empowering organisations to put their future into their hands.